Twist and shout. Understanding. Do the twist. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fun and rhythmic English phrase, do the twist. Whether you've heard it in a song, a dance class, or just around, we're here to unfold what it really means and how you can use it in everyday English. The term, do the twist, has its roots in the early 1960s, with a dance craze that swept the world. It wasn't just a dance, it was a phenomenon that influenced fashion, music, and culture. The twist dance is done by twisting the hips, legs, and arms in an alternating pattern. A move that's both fun and liberating. In contemporary usage, do the twist can mean more than just the dance. It's sometimes used metaphorically to talk about adding some excitement or variation to a situation. For instance, let's do the twist on this recipe by adding some exotic spices. When you want to suggest trying something different or new, you can say, let's do the twist. It's a light-hearted way to introduce change or innovation. Remember, the phrase carries a positive connotation and is usually associated with fun and energy. We hope you enjoyed learning about do the twist and feel ready to add a little twist to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dance to the rhythms of the language. See you in the next video.